Okay, here's my new box of goodies. This thing is very king one, okay? Because okay, I will open, then I will let you know why is it king, okay? First thing first, these three. Ta-da! Okay, I'll show you up close. B. A. R. Quickly form the word. Bar. Okay, it's for my client's bar cum kitchen. So I purposely choose this font. Can you see? It's like more Art Deco kind of a feel one. Not the typical fonts. Yeah, so we will stick this on the wall. Okay. Cheap and nice. Love it. Love them. Okay, this one is the 重点. The 重点 is this one. 重点 is, remember, okay, like if you all have been looking at my stories, you all will know that I've been looking for gold guns. Toy guns, of course, not real one. Gold toy guns. Then apparently is banned in Singapore, as in forbidden. This goods is forbidden. So there's no way to get even toy guns into Singapore. I don't know what's the deal lah, you know. Obviously toy one, but cannot. So then I thought, okay, I want to give up already on the idea. Then suddenly it occurred to me that I can go along this direction. So I'm going to show you. Okay, so other than dealing with drugs, I also deal with ammunition and weapons like this gun thingy. So if I don't get death sentence from dealing with drugs, right, or smuggling drugs, I will get jailed for possession of illegal firearms. Again, please come and bail me, okay? Okay, so are you ready to see my alternative to the toy gun? Can you tell what material this is? It's actually ceramic. Cool, right? It's like, oh my god, this is the perfect thing that I'm looking for. Can come into Singapore, yet it looks so bloody glam. Like 007, but the glam version. Yeah, so it's like just nice lor for decor. Just that until now, I haven't found the perfect spot for it lah. Or for them, there's a pair. So I'm still thinking where, still contemplating, but I'm just so glad that I thought of this solution. I'm like, hey, actually I'm quite smart I mean, don't look it lah, but I'm actually quite smart. Look, ta 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 ta. So I will have double pistol. Pew 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 pew. Hey, I'm super pleased with this. But if I want to display, right, if it's on the wall, I must make sure that they are securely fastened on the wall lah, because they are quite heavy. But I'm so thrilled that I got this. It's like so clever. So I can't wait to show you guys when it's in stock. But I have more goodies to show you, okay? Let me go gather my resources first, then I will get back to you all. Bye.